to eat healthier in my mornings and kind of start my day with a healthier breakfast, I found the most amazing, I don't know, you can eat it for any meal, but like I'm eating it for breakfast. I'm about to show you how to make it. It's so simple. It only takes a couple ingredients. It's super healthy and it smells like banana nut bread. It's so good. So you just mash up a banana with a fork just like that, and now we're going to add eggs. You can use eggs, egg whites, or a combination of the two. I'm just going to use 2 eggs today. Yesterday I used 2 eggs and 1 egg white and it turned out great. I just want to do some experimenting. So I'm going to go get that. This is what it'll look like if you use 2 eggs. It'll look a little more watery if you just use egg whites. So if, you know, depending on your macros or whatever you're doing, you can adjust that. I think it's going to turn out about the same either way. And then what we're going to do is just add a little bit of cinnamon, kind of play with it. I had this yesterday and it was so good, but I just decided that I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla today. I think it's going to be amazing. Okay, so for the vanilla, I'm literally just going to drop just a tiny bit in there. Okay, I don't know if you'd say that was like half a teaspoon, just eyeball it. I just really love vanilla, and this smells like banana nut bread or something, and I think that the vanilla is really going to be awesome. Just a little bit more cinnamon. You can just, if you're putting this into MyFitnessPal or something, you know, you can kind of be more accurate. But I mean, cinnamon, come on. All right, guys, so now we're just going to fry this up in the pan, and it's going to smell so good. So you literally just fry it in a pan, kind of like how you would make scrambled eggs. We're just going to fry it until I just put a tiny bit of cooking spray. And then a little, it smells so good already. I smell the banana and vanilla. It smells so good. And cinnamon. But I put like just a little dab of butter. You don't have to put that, but you know, I love Kerrygold butter. I love this. Okay, guys, this smells so good. I'm telling you, it smells so good. The vanilla and the cinnamon, oh my gosh. And now I'm just going to top it. You can top it with whatever fruit you want, but I'm just going to top it with blueberries. You guys have to try it. So this is going to be my daughter's lunch for today. It's something super simple. We don't really do a whole lot of juices, so that's just what I'm showing you right here. It's her little Capri Sun. They are lower in sugar, and it's been so hot out lately. I make her drink tons of water, but we do a little bit of juice. I mean, I would want juice if I was a kid running around all day. Right here, I am just trying to take off the top with one hand because I have one hand to use right now because I'm filming, and I'm just going to show you what I packed her for lunch, or what I made her for lunch. So I just did some Cheerios, I guess is like the starch, because I did not have bread or crackers or whatever. So I like to switch it up and give her lots of options. So I have just some sauteed chicken left over from dinner that I made. Super simple. I just sauteed it with some butter and stuff. And she just likes chicken a lot, so we did that. And then got some carrots and blueberries. So she's not the biggest fan of raw carrots. She loves them cooked, but I am trying to get her to try new stuff, so I keep offering them to her. And then we are on a blueberry kick. We stopped eating blueberries for a while because she was over it, and I just bought a pint, and they're like going so fast. She's had them for every meal. So we just got some blueberries, and then just got some shredded mozzarella cheese as well. And her favorite sauce is the Chick-fil-A sauce. She loves honey mustard, and I ran out of our honey mustard that we normally use, so I just put this in there. So super easy, super simple. I try to give her a good variety. She's not at the stage yet where she will eat like salad, which is what I want her to do. So this is just something super easy. Maybe you guys could feed to your toddler. So I wanted to show you guys one more thing, and it's these Elevation like peanut butter cookie bars. They're kind of like Lar bars. They say compare to Lar bars. They're not exactly the same, but they are pretty good, and they're a good price, and they have pretty decent ingredients. If you look on the back, I don't know if this will focus, but it just has dates, peanuts, peanut meal, sea salt, and it's just simple ingredients, and they're really tasty to take with you. Like if I'm having a craving and I'm out, I'll have one in my purse or something like that, and they're just easy and quick. I thought I would mention this just because I did have this along with my egg banana bread this morning. I actually had this first, and then I was still hungry, so then I made the banana bread. So I just thought I would show it to you really quickly because there's something that I did pick up at Aldi and they're pretty good. I would buy these again. I got the apple ones. They weren't my favorite, but I do like these peanut butter cookie bars. Just something quick, easy, tasty, you know, healthy little treat, or you could use it for a breakfast like I did.